he was born in year 1982, as I told you, without arms and without legs. And everybody believed Wojciech would amount to nothing. But after some time, parents accepted Nick Wojciech as he was. And he suffered, but he suffered mentally, emotionally and physically. Because students, they bullied him in the school. Students bullied him because of his unusual appearance, right? And he had a very small foot. And Nick usually said that it is not the foot, it is a chicken drumstick, because the size of the foot is like that only. So he called his foot, small foot, chicken drumstick. And parents said, because at one point he was very, very disappointed, he decided to commit suicide. But parents said that you do not know what you can achieve until you try it. And that was the statement that changed Nick Wojciech's entire life. He took that statement to the heart. And he learned by that small foot. He learned writing, walking. And he plays drum very nicely. He plays football. He plays golf. Right? And he walk, he talk, he's amazing person. He surf, snowboard. So there is nothing in the world that he cannot do. Nothing in the world that he cannot do. He does many, many things more than a normal person, and even which 1,000 normal person cannot do, that Nick Wojciech can do. And that is the power of subconscious mind. That is the power of positivity. Once you decide that I have to do it, you will do it and you can do it. But unfortunately, we cannot give it a thought that we can do it. And he visited 57 countries. He has given so far over 3,000 talks worldwide. And many of the conferences attracted over 1 lakh audience. People, they did not have even the space to stand to listen to Nick Wojciech. What he want to say, what he want to convey to people. That you're normal, you have 2 arms, legs, eyes, you're okay, you're one piece. Why you do not do anything? You have the same life as I have got. But so this is actually the power of positivity. So every person have the 2 choices. या तो भगवान पे नाराज हो जो हमारे पास नहीं है, या थैंकफुल हो भगवान के लिए जो हमारे पास है. Right? Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best for this upcoming bright day in your life. Make the best use of that. Thank you.